Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Sulaiman bin Abdul Razak. So now I want to present my mini project electronic device 555 timer alarm system, which is using 10 resistor, 6 capacitor, 3 LED, 3 555 timer alarm system, and 1 buzzer. Okay, LED 1 is always high because there is no push button. When the push button is begin push, the output will be high not on the A2 and A3. Okay, LED 3 and buzzer not light up. It use the concept reverse bias. When the output is low, the LED will light up and the buzzer will ring. Okay, that's all. Thank you.